Hello everyone. In this video you are going to learn how to write a year-to-date calculation to get current year sales. So you can see in this view these are the sales from current year 2022 from January 1st 2022 to today date. It is July 28 2022. So this is today date, and let me remove everything and do it from scratch, and I will delete this calculated field current year sales. So first I will drag order date into row shelf and click on this drop down and choose this option more. Click on custom and let me show this in a month, day and year, then click on OK. So in the view now you can see the dates are from January 3rd 2019 to December 30 2022, but current date is July 28 2022 because I'm using Superstore sample Superstore data. So in this dummy data you have dates up to December 30 2022. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use YTD calculation to get the current year sales from this year starting to today date. Okay, so create a calculated field and I will name it as current year sales, and I will add the calculation. I will show you how to write YTD calculation in two different ways. First I will use a date different function. So this date different function, it is a difference between two dates where the start date is subtracted from the end date. So you need to give the date part. So I'm going to subtract a year, and the start date is I will give the field order date comma today. So if I use this today function, it is going to take the year of today. So year of order date is subtracted from year of today. When it is equals to 0, it will give the current year sales. Okay, for example 2022 is a year of order date and 2022 is a current year. So when 2022 minus 2022 is equal to 0, this will give current year sales. Then click on OK, and I will drag this calculated field in the view. So now what you are going to observe is you can see the boolean value true for only this year. So from January 1st 2022 to December 30 2022. But for the remaining, you can see the boolean value falls from 2019, 2020 and 2021 because those are not current year. So here, okay. So now let me drag this calculated field into filter, and I will choose only true so that you can see in the view only current year sales. And now what I'm going to do is today is July 28 2022, so I'm going to limit the sales up to today only, so that I'm going to edit this calculation as I will use a AND operator. Then when order date is less than or equals to today. So this is going to give me the sales up to today only. So from January 1st 2022 this year to January 28 today date and this year 2022. So let me show you another way of writing the calculation to get YTD sales. So let me comment this, and I'm going to write a calculation using dateTrunc function. So this function will truncate the specified date to the accuracy specified by the date part and returns the new date. So I need to specify the date part, so as year, comma the field is order date when it is equals to dateTrunc function, and the date part is year, comma today. So this calculation is going to return the current year sales 2022 when year of order date is equals to year of today, which is 2022. So In the view, it returns the sales from January 1st, 2022 to December 30, 2022. But we need to limit the sales up to today only. So today is July 28th, 2022. So I'm going to edit this calculation, and I will use AND operator, and to limit the sales up to today when order date is less than or equals to today. Then click on OK. Now you can see the sales till July 28, 2022 from January 1st, 2022. So this is how to write Y2D calculation in Tableau. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.